How to delete Wattpad account permanently. So if you want to delete your Wattpad account permanently, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now on the search bar you have to search for Wattpad, and after searching, here on the first search you will have www.wattpad.com. Click on that and make sure to log into your account. And after logging in, here on the upper right corner you will have your profile icon. Simply click on your profile and then go to settings, and now here you will have your account information. So if you want to delete your account permanently, then you can go to close account, which is on the bottom left corner. Click on that, and then here you have to tell why you are leaving, so choose a reason. And then here, what could we have done to make your Wattpad experience better? And after writing, you can click here, yes, I'm sure, please close my account. And after clicking that, here you have to confirm your password, like you have to enter your password. And after entering your password, you can simply click on close account, and your Wattpad account will be closed or deleted. So if you want to close your account, then simply click on close account after entering your password. For now, I'll not close my account, but if you want to, then go ahead. And that's it. That's how you close or delete your Wattpad account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.